Python dictionary methods. From keys. It takes one argument, iterable, and a optional argument, values. It create a new dictionary from the iterable. Need variable to store. We can use dict. Or an empty set to use this. Without values, it create an dictionary, where the keys will be the iterables, and values will be none. We can enter one value for all keys. We can also assign values separately. Get. It takes at least one argument key, and optional argument value. It returns the value of the given key. We can store it in a separate variable. Optional value will return, if the specified key does not exist. Items. It takes no argument. It return all the keys and values. Keys. It takes no argument. It return all the keys only. Values. It takes no argument. It return all the values. Pop item. It takes no argument. It return key and value parent tuple. And remove it from dictionary. We can store it in separate variable. Set default. It takes at least one argument, key, and optional argument value. It returns the value of the specified key. If the key is not exits, it will add the key and specified value. Default value will be none. Update. It takes one argument. We can add new key and value to dictionary. We can also add another dictionary.